In this video, I'll show you how to check for and access WhatsApp subscription features. First, open WhatsApp on your device and tap on the Settings tab. If WhatsApp Plus is available for your account and region, you'll see a subscription option within the Settings menu where you can learn more and subscribe. WhatsApp Plus is currently being rolled out to a limited number of users, so it may not be available for everyone yet. Some of the features included with WhatsApp Plus are premium sticker packs, custom app themes, custom app icons, the ability to pin up to 20 chats, premium ringtones, and enhanced chat list customization options. These features focus on personalization and convenience, while messaging, calls, and encryption remain free for all users. If you don't see the subscription option yet, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp and check back later as the rollout continues. And that's how you can check for and access WhatsApp Plus features. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.